Hey there, Tim Davis, DevOps Advocate with M0, and I recently lost it all, sort of. While out in Vegas for AWS reInvent, my MacBook completely ate it, and I had to reformat and start over. Now, of course, I use Box.com for file syncing and things like that, but most of my development environment configuration was completely gone. Now, VS Code does syncing, so it was able to kind of get me back where I needed to be from a code standpoint, but a lot of the things that I had installed, all of the Terraform CLI configuration and all of the other cool tools that we've used here, completely gone. I had some scratch files on my desktop. And a big thing that I didn't realize was that my Final Cut Pro library was also completely shut. So all the stuff that I've been doing with y'all is completely gone except for the stuff that's finalized and up on YouTube. Now, since then, I have fixed it and I'm using Time Machine backup like I should be. But something cool, while I was out in Vegas, AWS released something that would have been helpful to me. And with that, it's actually going to be M1 Mac EC2 instances. Now, there's a ton of different reasons why you may want to use something like this. For instance, if you do Mac development, you could always use this as a CI space and stuff like that. But really, you can also use it as the same idea as why VDI was set up before. It'll allow you to have a dedicated place to do your work that's backed up, it's available, it comes with a lot of the cool things that you do in AWS and some of the cool stuff that comes along with EC2 using EBS and stuff for storage. I've already set up a dedicated host allotment here for the Mac instance, and with that, it'll allow us to kind of set up a host here. Now you can see I've kind of already played with that there. And then if we go to our instances, it's going to go through and it's going to launch my instance. Now this is really cool. It's about 64 cents an hour, which if you keep it running 24/7 for a whole year, you could buy an entire MacBook for how much it's going to cost you. But if you're just using it from time to time as a development space, or if you just need to do some CI work and stuff like that, it's really not bad. And they're not the first ones to do this. Companies like Mac Stadium have been doing this for quite some time. But it's definitely an option if you need some kind of workspace other than your actual desktop, and something you should definitely check out, and I think is a really cool feature add for AWS on top of all of the other really cool different EC2 instances that you can have. So I'm going to be getting back to you after the holidays here with a whole slew of new content once I get everything set back up. I appreciate your patience and everything. I know that we've been a little spotty here recently, but coming into the end of the year, I know everybody's kind of busy with everything. So have a great holidays. Hopefully you get some time off with your family, and I'll see you again real soon to see what we're playing with next.